Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This episode showcases behind the scene, the classic car meetup at Newton.
Turn left, then turn left.
And we're gonna convoy to Sentosa for the Sprintfest.
Turn left, then your destination will be on the left.
Make sure you watch to the end for a special edition of Uncut behind the scene. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video.
Your destination is on the left.
Hey, Uncle Tay!
Hey, hello.
Oh, nice to meet you again. Yes. What are you doing here so early in the morning?
Oh yeah, today we have a classic car meet. You want to join us?
Yes!
Alright man, come, let's go.
Oh my god, adventure with you always very fun.
This year, Sprintfest 2024 returns with a turbocharged excitement. Collaboration with Friends of Classic Cars and JDM Underground Car Meet, promising more thrills and donut spins ever before. Check out the diverse range of classic cars models from various eras. Car enthusiasts and owners sharing stories and passion for classic cars. This is gonna be a unique experience, a great opportunity for photography and videography to document the car culture in Singapore and the motorsport action.
Thank you. Have for hope ah?
Yeah!
Alright.
Good job.
Have for hope. Yay.
But the mini well done.
Welcome. Morning. Yes, morning sir.
Morning.
Great to see you. Morning. Yes.
Morning.
Alright. Morning. Whoa, early bird. Morning.
The fist bump, the GoPro.
Yay. Morning. Morning, sir.
Morning, how are you?
Great. Morning, fist bump. Alright. Fist bump. Yeah. Morning. Great to see you.
Yeah.
Fist bump, uncle. Ouch. Hello, princess. Nice, cool ride. Morning. Hey, I already fist bump you. Morning, sir.
Woke up late.
Hope the weather holds up, man.
Meet Daniel Yap, Singaporean of the Year 2024 finalist.
Morning.
Collection of the event sticker.
Morning. Yeah, they got breakfast. Can share.
Thanks.
Yeah. What you want? Coffee break. Coffee break, okay?
Shower or joy?
Yeah.
Attention everyone, sorry okay, we're running very late. Those the last 30 cars, those people can drive, can just go to Sentosa now. The QR code is in the chat group. Go, you share with your friends the QR code. It's in the chat group, right? That's the entry to Sentosa, okay? So any cars with the balance of the 30 want to go off can start going off now.
Gentlemen, start your engine.
Whoa, one star, man. Woo! Woo! Good job. Morning exercise. Check it out, man. Left hand drive.
Shower of joy again. Free car wash for all of us. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Shower of joy, give us cool weather is okay. Little rain now, but sunny weather later, even more wholesale.
And we skip to the good part.
You've arrived at your destination.
Zone are you?
I'm at the VIP. I think so already.
Enjoy the ride.
As well.
Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, do consider to subscribe and also check out our previous video. As promised, here is the Uncut Special Edition. Check it out. This is a beautiful sunset after the rain of Sentosa, Singapore that turned more adventurous and drama. This is a drone pilot's worst nightmare. The drone stuck on the tree. And it's really a miracle that we can find the drone out of so many trees.
Slowly. Slowly.
I'm really lucky to find a very secure rope, but it's a bit too long. But being careful means going slow, and this is the wrong technique as it strained my arm. Once again, I'm so fortunate to find a super long ladder that I can cut the distance by half and manage to retrieve the drone that is stuck on the top of the tree. 2 lessons learned here: always fly the drone higher than the trees around you, and always have a backup.
Yo, you wanna see something cool? No? Well, I'm gonna do it anyway.